Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this episode, we will be learning how to change Ludo King's profile picture. To change your profile picture in Ludo King is super easy. Launch open your Ludo King app on your device, and then after you are logged into the account, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. This will open up the statistics page. Tap the little edit profile button at the bottom and then select a profile picture from the list that you'd like to change to. Choose the avatar you'd like to change to, and you will then be able to choose a profile picture or avatar. To save the change, click on Continue, and there you have successfully changed your profile picture. If you have logged into Ludo King with your Facebook account, then your Facebook account's profile picture will be used as your profile picture in Ludo King as well. So that is how you easily change your profile picture or avatar in Ludo King. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more tutorials like this. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.